In the microprocessor course, the teaching usually concludes with creating a project. The teaching approach here shouldn't be much different. Since there are 8 students in this class, I thought it would be good for everyone to work together to create something useful for the school or the local community. I showed the teachers a light board with an embedded microcontroller to control 216 light bulbs and create various patterns. This was something I built 10 years ago. The teachers were interested, so we chose this as the project to build. The control equipment will be sent from Thailand, and some parts were already brought along during my previous visit here, so there shouldn't be any obstacles. The CPU board uses a Z80, which was salvaged from an old game console and slightly modified to be usable. This type of board was previously built for use in music performances, so it shouldn't pose much of a problem.
ต้องลุกจากที่สิ้นทีความรักผูกพันเพราะเธอเลอเมียเมื่อไรแอบมองแม่ยายทุกทีอายุแม่ยายรอบที่4ท่วมกันไปหมดแม้แต่บ้านไวยพดพอถึงบันได
ที่นี่เขาเรียกว่า
ก่อนนอนในคืนวันนี้ตรวจตราประตูหน้าต่างคืนไปดับสนิทนะครับแล้วนอนหลับฝันดีทุกท่านราตรีสวัสดิ์
This image shows a teacher building an electrical device who is currently helping to adjust the panel. The panel itself is made from 4mm and 10mm thick boards divided into sections. In the middle, a 220-volt bulb socket is installed with the common side connected together. The other end of the bulbs comes out as 64 separate terminals. The main components are divided into about 4 parts, which include the composed supply section, port CPU, circuit board, and latch. And finally, there are 64 triads. The circuit components consist of a port CPU that sends signals to 8 latches, which require port number decoding. After that, the outputs from all 8 latches, or 64 outputs, are connected to the 64 triads. In order to connect to the 64 light bulbs, all 4 main components must be assembled. After connecting the bulbs in 4 channels and testing to ensure everything works properly, the system must be run for an extended period to make sure that everything functions as designed. And then it was time to take the works out for exhibition. There were 3 places where the works needed to be installed. The first was a fundraising event for the temple to help raise money for the temple. second event was also a fundraising event, but this one was held at a discotheque, where we added more lighting systems and other features. The third event was an exhibition set up in a museum for children to see. And that successfully concluded the entire project for the Advanced Microprocessor course indeed.